When it comes to Shiba Inu coin, the average number of days held has likely increased due to the lack of recent price activity. This lends credence to the theory that, at current low prices, no one is selling Shiba Inu coins and everyone is buying them. As a result, we will talk about some of the data pertaining to buy-sell ratios. We'll talk about some broad numbers, but I'm especially interested in hearing what Shytoshi has to say about Shiba Inu and whether or not the region's prospective Serum resources will be developed in the near future. So, let's get started if the topic at hand is of interest to you. To all of you, greetings. If you want 2022 to be the best year ever, then subscribe and follow the channel. Comment and be one of the bros. Every day, we comment and work on improving our individual stock holdings. Furthermore, you lack the basic knowledge required to acquire stocks and cryptocurrencies, just as if you were a complete novice to the world of investing. Please be aware that centralized exchanges like these are incredibly risky, and it's anyone's guess whether or not they'll survive any potential changes to cryptocurrency regulation in 2023. It may be a terrific location to purchase, sell, and hold, but who knows whether they can survive all the audits and in these, proof of reserves and stuff like that. So, you should look into it. If you want to be happy, you need to prioritize your own needs, right? If that's where you want to stop, hold, it's important to remember, though, that nothing can be taken for granted. So let's talk about Shiba in a hurry, and then at the end we can delve into the statistics for the purchases, sales, and holdings, as well as the other cool stuff. However, I am well aware that GBM is a controversial issue. The most recent piece of news is a tweet from Shytoshi, and we all know that people listen up when Shytoshi speaks, right? This should give the Shiba Inu coin army some comfort that we can stop worrying about Shoeberry and our release this week. Many men are poised and ready to act immediately, as I am well aware. Check to see if Shytoshi changes his profile. It wouldn't take more than 10 seconds for Shytoshi to make a modification. These guys know it, and that's why Shytoshi is basically tweeting his fans to warn them about the impending Shiba Inu. The majority of the work on this beta version has been completed. We're only waiting for the right moment to make the announcement when people will have time to prepare adequately. It won't take place on holidays or other times when folks should be with their families. While we shouldn't expect Sebastian's release to occur between now and the start of the new year, we may see some additional announcements and information made available, and of course we'll see stories generated, as the writers of those stories will no doubt see a lot of value from their efforts. Since this is so, it will undoubtedly be covered by both the mainstream media and the other cryptocurrencies. But Shytoshi says it's great advice to not expect anything for the holidays. Yes, I think people should stop paying so much attention to the news of the day and focus instead on making the year 2023 the most fantastic fresh start possible. If 2021 was the finest year ever, then 2022 was the best year ever. Since 2023 will be better than the previous 2 years, it has a good shot at being the best one yet, right? However, folks, since the holidays are going to come and go pretty soon, we won't be seeing any major news for Shiba Inu and perhaps for Shiba Inu currency in general over this holiday season. The only catch is that I have to remember to bring up the year 2023 when we really reach that point. If that's what they are planning, then we can anticipate a kickoff in the new year. In light of this information, volatility may decrease slightly over the next few weeks or so, as people may not be expecting tweets in all of these declarations. Looking at market capitalization and statistics, you can see that Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin are still at inflated levels that put them above, major cryptocurrencies. This is not to say that the Shiba Inu currency has stopped inventing or that people are not infused. The fact that this group of people is still behind Shiba Inu coin despite its multi-billion-dollar market cap is a testament to the coin's value. The whole thing is mind-blowing. For the entirety of 2021, analysts predicted that Shiba Inu currency, which has a market cap of around $40 billion and is following the general market, will return to zero and become worthless if Bitcoin goes down. Hello, Ethereum is currently down. Generally speaking, the prices of these coins are falling right now. Although the value of Shiba Inu coins has dropped, they are still worth a lot of money. Therefore, let's quickly go over the buy/sell and holding statistics. since the data about possession are impressive. Therefore, if you go there, Coinbase, unquestionably one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and hence a pretty excellent picture of what is actually happening in the crypto market. For the Shiba Inu currency, the fact that purchases make up more than 98% of all transactions on Coinbase and sales make up less than 2% is incredible, even though I realize that Coinbase isn't really reflective of the entire market. I can see why some investors are betting that the price of Shiba Inu coin will stabilize now that trading volume is light and making a profit off of the coin's volatility. This means that cryptocurrencies like Terra Luna Classic may not have the same volume of trading activity and sale data as more well-known digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, the buys still outnumber the holds by a significant margin, so you won't find that on Coinbase right now. 214 days was the last time I gave it much thought. This remarkable, I believe, evidence of the overall shape of a new coin community supporting Shiba Inu coin during this bad market is what we're seeing. People are holding all of their holdings on Coinbase, right on average, and are unwilling to sell. So, I just want to know if you're holding Shiba Inu currency down during this bear market or not. Please share your thoughts in the space provided. While you're reading this, click that button. Come learn from the pros and subscribe to the channel with us.